Today, I'll show you how to flash the official China ROM on the Realme GT Neo 6. Let's get started. To get this multi-screen setup running, you are going to need three things. First is your Windows PC, second, a good quality USB cable, and third, your Realme GT Neo 6 phone. Before we begin, there is one thing. You need to be very careful. Back up all your data first because this will erase everything. You do not want to lose your files. Let us get started. To get started, we need to flash the official firmware. I'll show you how to do that on this laptop. First, we need to download the official China ROM. Just wait for that zip file to complete. Now for step 2, let's enable USB debugging. Grab your phone and jump right into the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the developer options. Now just toggle that setting on. Step 3 is connecting your phone. Just grab your USB cable and plug it into your laptop. You'll see a connection notification pop up right here. Step 4 is to open up the Flash Tool software. Click the icon to launch the dashboard. It will detect your connected device automatically. Now we need to load the firmware. Click Browse, select the zip file, and then click Load. Your update will begin shortly. Now you're going to click the Start button. The progress bar will begin to fill up. Make sure not to unplug your device. Today we are flashing the latest firmware. The process is almost complete. There we go, flashing complete. Now, disconnect the cable. Let's power it on. And there we go, booted. Hey everyone, today we are looking at the smooth new ROM interface. It is fast, clean, and highly customizable. Check it out. Remember to subscribe for more guides.